Hi guys, today we're making Kua Mee, also known as Pad Lao. This is my mom's recipe. I've tried many recipes and none are like hers. Start with 1 pound of small rice stick noodles. Soak for at least 30 minutes in cold water. Prepare the eggs for the topping by beating 4 eggs with a pinch of salt and a pinch of MSG. Set the heat to medium. Add about a teaspoon of oil to a wok and let it heat up. Add your beaten eggs and let that cook. You're basically making a sheet of omelet. Remove from the heat, let it cool, cut into small pieces and then set it aside. Heat another couple teaspoons of oil in your wok. Add 1 chicken breast that have been cut into 1-inch pieces. Add half a teaspoon of salt. About a 1/4 teaspoon of MSG. Add about 1.5 teaspoons to 2 of the sweet soy sauce with the blue cap. Let that cook for about a minute. We'll only partially cook this because we'll return it back for additional cooking later. Remove from the heat and set it aside. Clean your wok. Add half a cup of sugar. No oil, no water yet, just that sugar. Let it melt and caramelize. You can see it start to melt here. We'll let that go until it gets to an amber color. Once it turns amber, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add 4 to 5 cloves of minced garlic and let that cook for only a few seconds until it gets fragrant. Then add 1 cup of water. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. About half a teaspoon of MSG. And about 2 tablespoons of the sweet soy. To taste at this point to see if you want to adjust the seasoning. Add the chicken back into the wok and let that cook for another 30 seconds or so. And then we'll add the noodles that we've soaked into the wok. We'll keep stirring and cooking until it's softened and absorbed all the liquid. If the noodles are still hard, add a little bit more liquid and cook for a little bit longer. Serve with the eggs, bean sprouts, green onions in large cuts are preferred according to Mom. It's savory, sweet, salty, so good. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. For this recipe and more, visit craftcrumbs.com.